In this episode on YC Test Drive, I show you why I say our village is paradise. We find a quiet and easy way of chasing away elephants. A bird known as sakasela finds a way of catching fish. It dances before it dives in for a fish. Our eyes are still fixed and focused on buffaloes as we continue fishing. Good morning everyone. Oh, my hair. I'm not sure if I have a cap though. Today we are going to Mbalasinte, my school where I studied grade 1. If you haven't seen a video of me talking about Mbalasinte, click the pop-up banner. You will see that video about Mbalasinte. So we are going to Mbalasinte today. There is a meeting there. There's a meeting for the district. So they are going to be selecting Induna Slalo. Induna Slalo means, I think it's a district, not chief, district Induna Slalo. I don't know how it's called but it's a chairperson or the leader of the people within the district that reports directly to our main quota, which is Bukalo. So I'm going there. I want to see how it happens. So follow me. We walk together today. Today we are walking all the way to Mbalasinte, the way how I used to walk going to school. This is the way how. Let's see how. Oh, I forgot my. What's the time? The big show. Let me see the time that we start and the time we get there. 10:27. Okay, time is 10:27. Let's see what time we will get there. There was water everywhere in here. There was water in here. Look at this grass. This specific grass, it tells that there was water. That grass. It was full of water here. All this place was covered with water. All the way. Going to the other side. During flood time, this open vast land is covered with water. It usually looks like an ocean. It's an area where you wouldn't want to be caught by wind in a mukolo, vuato. Some patches of the flood waters are still visible to this time, and this sand still feels soggy and muddy. As we approach the area called Museke, our grassland area, this is one of the safest areas to push our cows because it's further away from crocodiles and lions as well. Usually elephants crosses around here going into the northern direction during some time of the season as I try to catch up with the rest of everyone. Did you realize that again COVID is with us this time? He is escorting us to Mbalasinte. This bag today feels heavy as I try to catch up with Big Show. He is used with this trip. He walks it quite often, attending such kind of meetings. My cousin Numa is with us and my auntie Vanyina Munyaza's mother. In my culture, parents are called by one of their child's name. This is why I call my auntie Vanyina Munyaza's mother. That shows respect. As we continue to Mbalasinte, it reminds me of back those days, walking in here going to school. And the patches of water during winter time, we would be crossing in here barefoot. At times we would carry a bunch of grass. Every time we would cross a swamp of water, we would light it and warm our feet because of the cold. This time of the year, it's getting dry. But still, there are some patches of water. As the dog COVID lead the way to Mbalasinte, he knows where we are going. Surprisingly enough, this time of the year, we saw the first car to reach Mbalasinte. This was a surprise to us. We were not expecting to see a car during this time of the year. Entering Mbalasinte. The school is on the other side. Let me quickly highlight you and show you the school Mbalasinte from the above. This is the school where I started my grade 1. I have respect for this school. It has grown since then, and to see it still being maintained is really good. During flood time, this school will be surrounded by water, which is different from now. Okay, so somehow we got at the meeting late. The meeting had started already, so we got there late. Anyway, we joined the meeting. They did not say much. It's just a few announcements which I don't really need to share. Okay, these guys are just guys that are probably in a vibe, but kids are coming from home now, going to school. I'll show you the route. How are you? I'm well. Where are you going? You going to school?
Yeah.
Oh, but you were in school in the morning. You went to school in the morning. Why are you going back?
Study time?
So study time starts at what time?
3 o'clock.
You start at 3 o'clock and you knock off at what time?
5 o'clock.
Do you have night studies?
No.
You don't have night studies? Okay, but are there any times when you have night studies?
Yeah.
So you went home,
Yeah?
ate lunch,
Yeah?
and then go back.
Yeah?
But then if there was night study, were you going to go back home again?
Yeah?
Okay. Anyway, it was nice talking to you. I'll see you later at home. Bye. How are you? I'm well. You're going to school? Afternoon studies? Enjoy. It's exactly what we used to do. So we just came from Balasinte, just finished my crib. We just came from Balasinte, so we are now leaving, going for fishing. I'm going with this fishing hook. Hopefully I can catch some tiger fish, because that area there's some tiger fish apparently. Let me go try and see what I can get from there. Alright, so let's go to the river. Let's see what animals we'll get today. This is how it looks like today at the river. Really nice and calm. Big Show and my cousin Numa are busy preparing the nets before going fishing. The view from this area is really quite amazing, overlooking Botswana and animals as they come to drink water. It's stunning. That bird is a kingfisher. Dances around. It goes with a high speed. Coop. Got a fish. It's going to sit and eat it. So we are sitting here. The two just busy setting up the fishing net. Usually they use this boat which we call mokolo with the fishing nets inside. So I will be doing some fishing with these fishing rods, fishing lines. We're doing some fishing, but just on the other side. I'm not sure if you can see them. If I zoom slowly, you see this thing that looks like cows? These things that looks like cows. There's one, let me point from the top. There's this one here, and these things. Those are buffaloes. They are on the Namibian side. It's actually just about a distance from here, maybe like 500 meters away. I'll see how far it is. Anyway, we'll send a drone. It will tell us how far it is in terms of meters. All right, so before I start fishing, let me do that and assess the situation, if we are safe or not. If they are coming this direction, then we have to find our way. And we have some elephants, of course. They're busy enjoying. Tourists are there on boat cruise, like just as usual. If we are lucky, we might see some lions here where there's sand here. Usually this is a lion spot. There is an elephant there, which we want to push away from there. It's very close to us. Push it a little bit further that side. especially this one here. This one here is too close to us on the Namibian side, so I'll send a drone and try to push them away. I think it's with a little baby. Surprisingly enough, these gentle giants are afraid of the sound of a drone. We find it an easy way to chase them away, as they were becoming close and close to us. This is very effective, without making noise. It was time to chase this mother elephant who was approaching us. I do not understand why and how these elephants are scared of the sound of a drone. Somehow I thought to myself that they think it's a swarm of bees. And I know elephants are scared of bees. It was good to watch elephants from a distance as they throw sand on their back. This is a common thing that they do to protect their skins. Among the elephants, there is a herd of buffaloes as well, grazing in our cattle's grasslands. This is why once in a while we have an outbreak of foot and mouth disease. However, foot and mouth disease is not an issue here with us. It seems like our cows have also become immune. But just to see these wild animals in our backyard, it's just amazing. We are blessed because these are things that Europeans pay money for. Even some Namibians, they pay money to see these animals that we watch every day. The giraffes and the zebras watching over us as well. Okay, I think it's getting late. The elephants are on the other side. That side. So there are some other gentlemen that just joined fishing here. But my guys went there, right behind somewhere there. Behind those trees. So I'm waiting for them. It's getting nerve-wracking, it's getting dark. So that one, the big one, is the small one, little one behind. Then there's these ones, these guys, they're coming this direction, but as soon as they could smell and hear us, they are going that way, so they will go close to that lodge. Past that lodge, they go to the villages in the night. That's how we live with these animals, just like that. Look at the little one running. Little one is just running around. Even though our eyes are focused on the elephants, we still keep our aerial eye focused on the buffaloes. We want to see the movements, where they are going and what they are doing, as we wait for Big Show and Cousin Numo. Luckily, these buffaloes seems like they are full, they are satisfied. They seem to be lazing around here. It seems this is where they will spend their night. There's a small one running. There it is. I think the other one was just making... This one is running towards them. And then these guys, they're following the little one. This grass is very tall. See that these elephants, they kind of sink into this grass. It's the grass around here. It's this kind of grass that we are going to cross as we go home. The golden sunset is just amazing. And having elephants just around the corner, it's just lovely. These elephants now, they are trying to also block us, because if they cross our way is this way, we're going that way home. If they go the other side, they might just block us, but we'll find a way. Always find a way. There's a small one here, a little one, that little baby. We have a look and a check on the buffaloes once more before we leave, just to locate them and see what's happening. It seems they are all relaxed. Believe me, I'm afraid of buffaloes than elephants. So the elephants are just there. We are just waiting for the big show. They went in the river casting the nets. So just waiting for them before we start. But these elephants though, it's getting dark and they are going in the direction that we are going also. So they are heading right to the village. We are also going that direction. So hopefully they won't block us on the other side. But this is something that doesn't scare us really. Elephants is just these animals, gentle creatures that we have lived with for years, and we are not afraid of them. Just give them peace. They know we are here. They can smell us because this is the wind is going into their direction. So yeah, so they definitely know that we are here. They are also going their way. We will also head their way. But I'm sure tonight we won't sleep. They will be bothering us in the villages tonight. Pictures, they just arrived. We have to leave now. The elephants are there in our direction. Now we're home. Elephants are just somewhere there. Luckily they did not cross in front of us. Here they are. We are going this way. Hopefully I don't kick the back of a small elephant in here. Okay, so we just about to get home, right somewhere there. The elephants are somewhere. Let me see if I can zoom. There they are. Those dark thing spots that in between those trees. They will be coming. In the evening we are getting home. That's of course Botswana, where you see some lights. Next time on YC Test Drive, we see something there. Oh, it's lions. It's lions. We find a group of 4 lions eating a buffalo kill close to our village. We come across a hippo with an attitude. And we find an aftermath of buffalo stampede along the Chove River. Subscribe, comment and share for me to release more of village trips. Goodbye.